Welcome back to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to assign shifts to team members in the system. Let's get started. From the side navigation panel, click on the Team menu. From the list of submenus, select the Team Member submenu. This will open a new page displaying your team members. To assign a shift, locate the user in the list. Under the Action column, click on the three-dot icon corresponding to that user. From the list of options, select Assign Shift. This will open a new page where you can assign shifts on a day-by-day basis. To assign a shift for a specific date, click on the Shift field under the required date. A pop-up window will appear displaying the available shift options. Select the appropriate shift from the list and click on the Submit button to confirm the assignment. The selected shift will now be successfully assigned to the team member for that date. That's it. You now know how to assign shifts to team members in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.